The new week, yes it is, week number 12. A lot of things turn in red here. Swiss franc Japanese yen pushing, of course, over $2,000 guaranteed now. Really hit this run pretty perfectly. Good for you, Eldoré. Otherwise, so on most of these charts. A little bit against us, really. Fortunately, still in the euro US dollar, but hasn't moved to the good for us yet. Tense moments there. And I think we will get rid of this Great British Pound Swiss franc trade. Keeps moving a little bit green and pushing certainly up more than it is down. So let's just delete these off. Subtrade A and subtrade B, a good buy. But we are going to replace it with a sell trade on the Canadian dollar Swiss franc. Full on signal happening here. Bulls and bears on the decline, and same for the moving average. You can see it tilting down. And with our risk on the screen, you can see we can round that up to exactly one standard lots. Just make sure we set that to a sell stop order first. Don't want to get straight into it. And we'll try and give it a little bit more room, but it is a tight signal. $1,000 on the line. If we can get into it, let's not forget subtrade B. Why would we do that? So it is out with the old and in with the nuclear. Trailing stop loss at 900 points, all the same. There we go. Give us those riches, CAD Swissy, starting tomorrow. Day 57, our week doth continue. Australian dollar Swiss franc. Not much movement. Great British Pound Canadian dollar, same again. Setting up to be a slow week here. Not much on these at all. I think we'll have to get rid of this Canadian dollar Swiss franc trade as well. It's pushed quite some way towards what would be the stop loss, so let's delete that off. There we go, and nothing to replace it tonight. Looking for that action, but just not getting it right now. It's bound to come. Let's keep cracking on with it in 24 hours time. Still not much movement. Most of these trades red. 9 sub trades open, 8 of them red. But still we're positive by about $800 because this Swiss franc Japanese yen really carrying us. Otherwise, yeah, not a lot going on and no new signals for tonight. We're not here on Friday. That means just one more day tomorrow to try and get some signals. It's not that we're lacking for trades as such though. The stop loss and take profits on some of these are just a bit too wide, taking quite some time for some of them to trigger, but maybe tomorrow is the day. Day 59 is not the day for a stop loss or take profit. We have got pretty close on 2 of these very long standing trades, the Australian dollar Swiss franc dropping sharply towards it, and the pound CAD, big rise. In fact, it's still pushing now even right up at the high of the day. That is very close, almost inevitable now to see that go. And what a shame, because we almost got the take profit way back about 4 weeks ago. Shame to miss out there, but it's not done just yet, you never know. And a sell trade on the Canadian dollar Swiss franc would have been looking pretty nice. Sharp drop for the CAD today, pretty weak. And we do have a couple sell signals on the Australian dollar, the Japanese yen and the US dollar. I think we'll take the Japanese yen one, give us some cover against the Swiss franc Japanese yen where we're buying in on that, and also against the Australian dollar Swiss franc because we may see that hit the stop loss. So that could be very nice. We'll get in the trades, sell stop orders, 1% risk, 0.66 standard lots. Subtrade A going down, it's $220 to the stop loss. That'll be the same for subtrade B, of course, just with the trailing stop loss. And I'm in. So is that trailing stop loss. That's going to be us for the week. As we said, not here tomorrow. We are going to miss out on the volatility of the US non-farm payrolls. It does give us an extra day to see if anything's going to happen for it though. Because this week, no action, nothing, no point in taking a look at the journal. We're at the same balance as we finished last week and the same trades. No stop losses, no take profits, no pending orders hit. So we are as we are, and we carry on next week into week 13.